Hello children, myself Divya Sharma from Shivjyoti Educational Group. Today in Social Studies we will be doing revision of chapter number 12. So take out your books, chapter number 12, page number 85. Chapter 12, Living Longer and Healthier Lives. Now children, if you have to live longer and a healthy life, what do you need to do? You need to eat a healthy food. You need that your surroundings around you should be clean, and also you need a good medical care. Now we will look into some major developments in the medical science. First we will have points to remember: kinds of medical instruments, surgery and anesthesia, antibiotics, vaccination, pasteurization, antiseptics and keeping healthy. These are the main topics covered in the chapter. First we will look into the major developments in the medical science. Kinds of medical instruments: clinical thermometer, stethoscope, microscope, X-ray and scanners. Now clinical thermometer, whenever you have fever, you check your body temperature using a clinical thermometer, and it was invented by Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit. Stethoscope, now whenever you go to a doctor, he listens to the sound of your heart and your breathing using a stethoscope, and it was discovered by René Laennec. Microscope, you are not able to see small germs or bacteria. Under a microscope, it magnifies a tiny object. It makes it look appear much larger. X-ray and scanners, these are the machines which can look inside the internal organs of your body. Now types of scanners available are ultrasound, CAT scan and MRI. Now we will look into these terms: surgery and anesthesia. Now sometimes to operate a defective organ, you need to cut and open a body part and operate that organ. This is called surgery. At the time of surgery, doctors give you anesthesia so that you do not feel the pain. Antibiotics, antibiotics treat the bacterial infections, and the first antibiotic to be discovered was penicillin by Alexander Fleming. Now vaccination, vaccination prevents a disease from occurring. If you have been vaccinated against a disease, your body develops the ability to fight against that disease. Pasteurization. Pasteurization was a method which was discovered by Louis Pasteur. It is a process of killing germs by boiling and then rapid cooling, especially if you take an example of milk. Now antiseptics, antiseptics are used to kill germs which are present in the body. Last topic, keeping healthy. How can you keep yourself healthy? By just following the simple rules like visit to a doctor whenever you are feeling ill, exercise regularly, keep your surroundings clean, and also take a bath regularly. Now we will discuss internal questions of the chapter. Who invented clinical thermometer? On page number 86, you will find this question: Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit. Who discovered penicillin? Page number 87, Alexander Fleming. What is the use of vaccine? Page number 88, vaccine prevent diseases from occurring. Now I'll move ahead with the bookwork of the chapter. Mohan is not well. What instrument or medicine should be used under the following situations? Now following situations are given to you, and you have to tell which instrument will be used to diagnose the disease. Mohan's mother feels his body is warm and wants to see if he has fever. We learned that you can check your body temperature by using the instrument called clinical thermometer. The doctor wants to listen to Mohan's heartbeat to find out what disease he has. He will use a stethoscope. As I told you that doctors use a stethoscope to listen to the sound of your heart and your breathing. After examining Mohan, the doctor is not certain what disease he is suffering from. She takes a sample of his blood and wants to examine it. Now you cannot examine the small germs or bacteria present in your body. So you have to use the instrument called microscope. So using the instrument called microscope, the doctor will examine the blood sample. She suspects that there is a problem with one of the internal organs and wants a picture of the organ taken. The instrument which will be used will be scanner, as it provides more detailed picture of the internal organ of your body. The doctor thinks Mohan is suffering from a bacterial infection. What medicine will she give? She will give antibiotics, as antibiotics treat bacterial infections. Now multiple choice questions. Which of these is used to measure the body temperature? We learned clinical thermometer. Which of these processes can be used to see organs inside the body? Ultrasound, CAT scans, MRI, all of these. All of these will be used to see the internal organs of the body. To make a patient undergoing surgery unconscious, doctor use anesthetic. Now doctors give anesthesia at the time of operation to make the patient feel unconscious so that you do not feel the pain. The first vaccine to be discovered was against the disease smallpox. With which of these will a doctor clean surgical instruments? He will clean it through an antiseptics, as it kills germs. Now I will come on to the copy work. Question number 1. What does a doctor use a stethoscope for? A doctor uses a stethoscope to hear the sound of the patient's heartbeat and breathing. We learned that this instrument is used by the doctors to listen to the sound of your heart and your breathing and to detect any of the risk factors. What is a microscope? How does it help in finding out what disease a patient is suffering from? A microscope is an instrument that magnifies a tiny object which cannot be seen by the naked eye. Now as we learn that microscope is an instrument which makes the object look larger, and doctors take sample of blood and urine of the patient to study the germs with the help of microscope. Now what germs or bacteria has entered your body, the doctors sometimes take the sample of your blood and urine and study it under a microscope. What are scanners used for? Scanners are machines which can look inside a person's body and produce more detailed pictures than X-ray. Now scanners are more used than X-rays, as they provide more detailed pictures of the internal organs of the body, and we learn 3 types of scanners available are ultrasound, CAT scan and MRI. How did Jenner discover the smallpox vaccine? Edward Jenner observed, injected cowpox germs into the body of a boy. Later he injected the smallpox germs. The boy did not get smallpox, thus he discovered a vaccine for smallpox. Now what happened? Edward Jenner inserted cowpox germs into the body of a boy, and after some time he injected the smallpox germs, and he found that the boy did not suffer from smallpox. Thus he was able to discover the vaccine for smallpox. How does anesthesia help in surgery? Doctors give anesthesia before a surgery to make the patient unconscious. This helps the patient not to feel the pain during surgery. As you know that at the time of performing surgery, you need to cut and operate on the body part, so you feel the pain. At that time, the doctors provide the patient anesthesia and make them unconscious so that they do not feel the pain. How is a vaccine different from a medicine? A vaccine prevents diseases from occurring, whereas a medicine such as antibiotics cure diseases. Now vaccine prevents a disease from occurring. If you have been vaccinated against a disease, your body develops the ability to fight against that disease, whereas antibiotics cure diseases. Why is the discovery of antibiotics considered to be an important milestone in the development of medicine? Now, why antibiotics is considered as an important discovery? Antibiotics are considered to be an important milestone because they prevent the spread and growth of bacteria. Alexander Fleming discovered an antibiotic called penicillin which could prevent the growth of bacteria. Later, many other such antibiotics were discovered. Now, as we learn that antibiotics treat bacterial infections, and the first antibiotic to be discovered was penicillin, which was discovered by Alexander Fleming, and later on we have developed many such antibiotics which can fight against the diseases. What was Louis Pasteur's important contribution to the field of medicine? Louis Pasteur discovered that many diseases were caused by germs. He discovered the method called pasteurization to kill germs in milk. Now, we learned that pasteurization was a method which was discovered by Louis Pasteur, and this is a process of boiling which is followed by rapid cooling. You can take an example of milk, and it is basically done to kill germs. What simple rules should you follow to remain healthy? To stay healthy, we should follow various rules that are: eat nutritious food, you should have a healthy diet, keep our surroundings clean, the surroundings around you should be very clean, take a bath with soap and water every day, and do exercise regularly. So children, this was all about the chapter. For the detailed explanation, you can go through the previous video once again. Thank you. Take care.